Bonjour, Abu. Hello, everyone. 8th grade student, as you know, we were doing our chapter number 2nd. So, few exercises are left. So, we will cover today the remaining exercise of chapter number 2nd. So, this is your topic. This is the topic of possessive article, adjectives, possessive. So, in this adjective, you will learn how to speak my, your, his, its, her, its, our, your, their and their. So in French, my is 3 type: mon, ma and mes. Mon we will use with masculine singular. Mon we will use with masculine singular. Ma we will use with female, and mo we will use with female where female words are starting with vowels, and may we will use with plurals. So like as for your we have ton, ta, te. For his we have son, sa, se. For her we have son, sa, se, same. For our we have notre, nous. For your we have votre, vous. For their we have leur, leur. And for their, for female, we have same, leur. So on the basis of this topic, we will do our exercise number 4 on your page number 31. This is your 4th exercise. Here you have to complete with the adjective possessive. So I am telling you the answers side by side, the meaning also. Dash portable able. Portable means your phone, your mobile phone. So you can use here your, my. Okay, so I am using here my. So my is 3 type. We will use mo here. Portable. Portable is masculine word, so we use mo here. Il aime dash voiture. Voiture means car. She like, what should be here? She like her car. So for her we have sa. Her is sa in French. Demain c'est dash anniversaire. Tomorrow there is dash anniversaire. J'appelle tous les amis. I call all my friends. So here should be my. Tomorrow there is mo. Mo means my. Tomorrow there is my anniversary and I call all my friends. So friends are in plural. So with plural we use mes, may. Les voyageurs, the travelers, take sac. Sac means bag. So the voyageurs take their bag. For their, the word is leur. Okay, LEURS. Nous faisons dash travail. You do. We do dash work. We do our work. So for our we have notre. Il joue avec dash ballon. He play with the ball, with his ball. So for his we have son word. Cette la classe des étudiants. This is the class of the students. Say dash class. This is their class. So leur class. For there is a word leur. Dash appartement est assez bien. This my apartment is enough big. So for my we use mo. So these are the answer. Here are the answer. So you can write down from here: sa, mo, me, leur, notre, son, leur, mo. So write down this exercise in your book with pencil. So after this exercise we have already done what is direct object and indirect object in French. So here is one topic. In the direct object you have to put le, la in the replacement of this line, this underlined word. Okay, for example, if this underlined word is male, then you will use la. If this underlined word is female, then you will use la. And if the underlined word is in plural, then you will use le. Okay, so on the basis of this concept, we can able to do our exercise number 8 on your page number 33. Voila, set votre exercise with, this is your 8th exercise. So what to do in this 8th exercise? Corre se fo means correct these mistakes. So here, how to do this exercise? You just write down the same word, this same word, kure, and these are the plurals. So with plurals there is les. Okay, for plural there is les. Seth will is female, so same we use visite will remain same, and for Seth will we use la because it is female. Same as here are the answers. So here are the answers of 8th exercise. Correct this, visit that, there, goûter la, taste this, attendre la, wait this, here, envoyer la, send this. This is the answer of 8th exercise. Do it in your book. Now for 9th exercise, we will cover the indirect object. Okay, so you know very well, where we use a in the sentence, then that sentences are indirect object. So for this, here are the rules. If there is a one single person, then you will use lui. If there is plural person, then you will use leur. Simple, very simple it is. So on the basis of this topic, we will cover our 9th exercise. So in the 9th exercise, there is, you just write down, there is single person, ton ami, one single person, your friend. Écrire will remain same, and on the place of ton ami, you will write down lui. Okay, and in the D part, there is a plural, so parle will remain same, and with the plurals you will write down leur. So here are the answers. Like here with singular you are using lui, and with the plural you will use leur. The meaning of lui is him, and the meaning of leur is there. So after 8th and 9th exercise, there is exercise number 7. Here is a verbs given. Okay, on the top some verbs are given, so you have to give the correct form of the verb. And you know very well, in French, according to this pronoun, we will change these verbs. For example, you know very well, with L we always cut last R. This is the rule. Like these are the rules. So this you have done in your previous classes. So I am giving you answers of this exercise. So here are the answer of 7th exercise. You have to complete this. These are the answers. I am telling you the meaning of the lines. Ils vient tous les jours pour practice le football. They coming all the days for do the practice of football. Je prepare the crêpes pour le bon ce soir. I prepare the crêpe. Crêpe is a dish for the party of the evening, of this evening. Vous buvez du vin rouge. Do you drink the red wine? Marie nettoie la salle à manger. Marie nettoie means clean. Marie clean the dining hall. Il lit beaucoup de articles. He read a lot of articles. Vous faites tous les bruits. You are making a lot of noise. J'aime la cafe noir the restaurant. I like the black coffee of this restaurant. Il dessus de sa voiture. So he come down from his car. So these are the answer. Write down this answer in your book. So today for today, please complete your exercise number 4. Exercise number 4, 7, 8 and 9 in your book. Okay student, au revoir, bye bye, Abhi, see you soon.